New updates in the Midland Christian and Trinity school cases. All three cases involve charges of some type of child abuse not being reported by the staff at those private schools. Well, a local attorney running for the Midland District Attorney's Office has called out the way those cases are being handled. Christina, you had a chance to speak with him today. What did he tell you?
Well, yeah, Crystal, Glenn Harwood is a Midland attorney who is calling out the way Midland Christian and Trinity school cases have been handled by law enforcement. Today, when I spoke with him, he tells me how he believes these cases are mishandled.
In this three-page statement released by Midland attorney Glenn Harwood, he calls out the handling of the Midland Christian and Trinity school cases, saying that the law enforcement and DA's office handling these cases have, quote, missed the mark by applying the mandatory reporting law, a law normally used in cases where children are suffering child abuse from a parent or caregiver.
The law meant to protect children from their caregivers is being applied in a way that seems to indicate that any time one child assaults another child at a school, that becomes a mandatory reporting event. And I don't think that's how the law was intended, and I don't think that's how the law is required to be applied. And it seems to be being applied in a selective and unjust manner.
Harwood notes how there is a good use for this law. However, he believes in this case it is not one.
I think that law enforcement is misapplying the law. There's a good use for this law, and there's good circumstances to apply this law, but I don't think this is the right use of it, and I don't think these are the right circumstances.
And according to Harwood, because administrators made the parents aware of the situation, there didn't appear to be any intent to conceal.
Certainly, there are times when it's appropriate and administrators should be required to report to law enforcement. And I can think of a lot of examples where even child-on-child assault would rise to the level of child abuse, and mandatory reporting should apply. I'm just suggesting in these particular cases, under these sets of facts, there didn't appear to be any intent to conceal. The administrators made the parents aware of what had happened.
And now Harwood is calling for city leaders to help in these cases. Crystal?